everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices in 2 minutes or less. Today we're going to talk about smart lock, but more specifically, trusted devices. It's a way that you're able to unlock your phone as you're connected to something via Bluetooth, so you don't have to go through your lock screen credentials. So as of right now, you can see that if my phone is turned off and I try to get inside of my phone, I have to go through the credentials of either biometrics, fingerprint, face unlock, or my PIN. But if you would want to get into your phone because you're at a trusted location, maybe possibly connected to a Bluetooth device, then you're able to go inside your phone with a simple swipe. So to turn this one on, you want to go inside of your settings on the very top right-hand side and scroll down to where it says lock screen. Now inside of lock screen, just head over into smart lock and type in your credentials. Once inside of smart lock, there is 4 options, but the one that we're going to talk about today is trusted devices because I found that this one has no issues, no hiccups, and works every single time. Now I have 3 different devices connected via Bluetooth, and once that they are actually connected and running, then I don't have to unlock my phone. So for example, here is the Galaxy Buds. Let's say that we open this one up. I'm at home listening to music. I'm doing phone calls. I'm at the gym. Maybe I'm even connected to, let's say, the Bluetooth in my vehicle, and I don't want to keep going through and unlocking my phone, which you shouldn't be on your phone when you drive anyways. But we're going to talk about when you're at home and you know you're at a trusted place and location. You got these things all connected. So let's say that you're at home. You're connected to your Galaxy Buds. You want to go inside of your phone. Once it's connected, you can see that the phone is unlocked by smart lock, a simple swipe, and you're in. Now let's just say that maybe some of your friends came over, you're connected to a large Bluetooth soundbar at your house, and you're walking away from your phone. And so let's say that you go through, and because there's more people at your house, maybe just guests, friends, people you don't know, maybe distant relatives, and you don't want them to go into your phone. So one of the things you're able to do is lock up your device. And how you can do that is by simply tapping on that little lock button, and then as you walk away, nobody's going to go into your phone until you unlock it again. Now, because you went back to your phone, you gave it the credentials to unlock, it's going to stay unlocked this entire time, all the way until you lock it again. So now you can walk to the kitchen, get the popcorn, and know that nobody can get into your phone. But I hope that you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit on subscribe. You subscribe here on the very bottom left-hand side, this little circle. If you liked this video, then more than likely, you'll also like this video as well. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want, when I want, and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll. I got tons of soul.